Good morning, children. You all joined a new campus, Sampradaya School, Pathshala. Welcome to the new campus. You are in 7th class. I am Chitra, teaching social studies for you. Okay? We start our lesson. Maps, M-A-P-S, maps. You would have heard that word. Are you using that maps? Yes. 5th class, 6th class, from 3rd class onwards, you are doing maps. Maps is what? It's a shape of a land. We are drawing of the shape of an area or a city, country, town, whatever we want. We can draw our school shapes in maps. Now, so our first lesson is reading maps of different kinds. Reading of maps of different kinds. Now, where do we live? We live in the world, yes, on Earth. The Earth is a planet. So, our living planet is Earth. The world, where do we live? It has covered with a variety of landforms. What are the landforms in geography? We see plain, plateau, mountain, hill, desert. Like these different landforms we are living. They are all in different heights. Now, whatever the heights they are, wherever they are, actually what is the shape of that land that we are showing in the map. Now, you would have heard that word called atlas. What is atlas? Atlas is a book of maps. Now, what is the actual model of the earth? To understand the earth, we have made a model. That model is called globe. So, globe, how the earth shape is there in the spherical shape, like that we have prepared a globe. Then, reading the globe. Then, wherever we go, we cannot carry the globe in hand. So, we thought of preparing in a flat surface, that is called a map. So what is a map? How can we define it? Map is a representation of the earth on the flat surface. Map is a representation of the earth on the flat surface. Now, so the world we live in, it has variety of landforms I told. So what are the landforms? Plain, plateau, mountains, hills, like that. Then maps, when we are drawing the maps, we can show on the different theme. So to understand a theme, we give a theme name also. Population map we say, number of people, how many we are living in the area, and shape of that area. I told you school map also, plan we can draw it. And what is the length and breadth of the room, everything we can show in the map construction. Now, to read the map, we need symbols. That symbols are point or lines or area symbol we see. We can show it with the help of symbols. Now, for example, maps are types of the maps. Usually we follow political map and physical map. What do you mean by political map? Political, now earth surface divided into continent and ocean. Now continent divided into countries. Countries divided into states. States divided into cities, towns and villages, like that. So each and every division that of an area, region, we can show on a map. Now, to know that we are following, to read that map, we are following some symbols. Now, capital city. Capital city means on the map, we keep one point, like point. So, that point wherever we have kept on the state, countries, that point says that capital of the country or the state. Or sometimes we draw line. Now, railway line or river, that and all we show in the different types of line. Like that, symbols we are following to read the map. Then political map, like that. Physical map, when we say that physical means outside look, we can see the themes. So river or mountain, plain, whatever it is, that and all we are showing in the map. So that is called a physical map. Physical appearance, we can see it. Then one word I am introducing you, contour. 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 What is a contour? Now places are located in the different heights from the sea level. So the contour is a line joining the same height of the place, and we can say in short outline, boundary line, outline also we can say. Then how do we measure the height? I told you contour, we draw that line, we join that points wherever the same heights. So measuring heights, how do we measure the heights? Now we are on the land surface. Then if we go near the sea level, seashore, there we stand and we can measure from the sea level the height of the place. Now what is at the height of the place? Now it is regions are difference in height. Now to measure that height, standing in the sea level, from the sea level. Now to know that sea level, I am introducing the word called tide. What is a tide? Tide has tides are two types, low tide, high tide. Rising and falling of the water. If we go and stand in front of the sea or the ocean, waves comes horizontally. Sometimes that waves, the water only rise high level, that is called high tide, and sometimes low level, that is low tide. So high tide and low tide, it's going on comes. So how can we measure the height from the sea level? It will be difficult to clear. To avoid that problem, what we are doing means we measure frequently. We measure from the sea height, that is the mean sea level. We take 4 or 5 times we measure it, and we take average. That only we are keeping as a mean sea level. That is, in short, we call MSL, measuring mean sea level. 4-5 times we record it. Then we take average. How do we take average? Now in the classroom, students' average marks means all the marks we add and we divide by the number of the students. Like that, 4-5 times after recording that, we divide by how many times we have taken. That only we get the mean sea level. With that, so I am introducing that word today: tide, contour, symbols, and varieties of landforms. Where do we live? So now if we, for example, if an area, if we take any area like this, like mountain shape I am drawing. Now this is 0 meter sea level we are standing. From there, if you go to 50, your house may be there. 50 meter height your house. Then temple, you are visiting temple. The temple may be 100 meter. Then what is this called? Any idea? This is the point, highest point here, that is peak. That peak may be 150 meter. So from the 0 meter sea level, we are measuring the heights of the place located. Okay. So this is the lesson, reading maps of different kinds. World map, where do we live? We live on the earth surface, and it has variety of landforms. And when we are drawing the shapes of that is called a map. And to read that map, you are following symbols, points, line, and area symbol and all. And types of the maps I told you: political maps and physical maps. We like weather maps, population map, like that. Thematic maps also we read. Then to read that map, we should know that word contour. CONTOUR. That word is that line, outline we are drawing. That is joining the same height of the places. Then measuring height from the sea level. When we for that we should know the tide. So high rising and falling of the water is called tide. We to avoid the problem or to understand that to get the sea level, we record, measure it different time. Then we take that mean average. From that we measure the height of the place. This is the lesson today. You can read the textbook. If you have any doubt, you ask me in the next video. Thank you.